Ask again.
Brooklyn, what was your favorite part about today?
My favorite part is going to Canada.
What?
I don't
You
know.
went to Canada?
Yeah.
Today?
No.
So what was your favorite part about today?
1 second. Yeah.
1 second.
She just told you to hold on. Hey, what was your favorite part today?
Stand up first.
Okay, stand up.
My favorite part is going to Canada.
You went to
What?
Canada?
Yeah.
Today?
No.
So what was your favorite part about today?
Hey, look at me. Look at me. What was your favorite part today?
I can be golf.
Okay, but hey, focus for a second. Just for a second and tell me.
Can I ask more, please?
What was your favorite part today?
My favorite part is going to Canada.
You went
What?
to Canada?
Today?
Yeah, no.
When did you go to Canada?
Almost.
All of us went, but when? When did we do that?
I know.
We don't
3
know
months
either.
ago?
Who did we see in Canada?
Grandma.
Who did we see in Canada?
Grandma.
Grandma who?
Grandma Buddy.
Okay, who else did we see?
Grandma Buddy.
And Auntie,
Pam.
yes, and Uncle.
Cooper.
No, Cooper is not the uncle. Cooper is the dog. Uncle.
Steve.
That's right. You got it. Now, Brooklyn, what was your favorite part today?
My favorite part is going to Grandpa Steve's house. And
Grandpa Steve.
Grandpa Steve.
Okay.
As she drools into her name.
Okay, what was your favorite part today?